Go.
Hi, John Tuomisto-Bell. We're going to actually pour these foam forms in aluminum, and so all we did was take a standard kind of EPS foam and carve them in shapes. This one's a little different, so we're not sure if it's going to work, but then we take these and then embed them in sand and then pour aluminum directly on top, displacing the foam. So we've taken the foam and just put them in the bucket, and then we're just going to take standard play sand and pour it around the foam sculptures. And then we're just going to expose the top of the foam pieces. Like so. And then we're just going to pour the aluminum directly on top of those, displacing the foam. Here's the furnace setup that we're going to use. I have my pouring platform right there, and then the little homemade furnace with the crucible, and the aluminum gets melted right down inside there. And then we have it just running off of a little canister of propane, using a little electric blower for forced air. So that's what the furnace sounds like when it's running. Now we're going to take it out. So the aluminum at this point is about a little over 1,000 degrees, which is about twice as hot as your oven will get. We skin the aluminum a little bit, get the impurities off the top. And then we also degas the aluminum. It collects oxygen when it's in a liquid state. We want to get rid of as much of that oxygen as possible, so we just use a hardwood stick where we stir it. It allows the oxygen molecules to escape the aluminum. And then we skim one more time. See the aluminum there, kind of shiny, and then we just pour that on top of our foam sculptures. Any extra we have, we can just kind of pour off to use for next time. And then we let it cool, and then once it's cold, we can pull it out of the sand. So the green casting, it looks like it didn't work, that type of foam. And then the other casting, there you go.